Pacifica. Talofalava. In this video we will draw an aloe with colored pencil. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe now for more videos on how to draw, paint, and create art. The plant is commonly called aloe or aloe vera. The plant is known as aloe in Samoa. In Hawaii, the plant is either known as aloe or panini ava ava. The colors used for this drawing will be different greens. These include lime peel, apple green, true green, and dark green. Lime peel was used to color the initial outline and thorns. The main portion of the plant will be colored by alternating apple green and true green. Dark green was used to color the shadows. As I make new videos, I want to share them with you, so subscribe now. Also comment, like, and check out some of the other content on our channel.